This is a simulation lab room. This is where you'll be performing your simulations. Each room is set up just the same. We have a supply cart in each room. It looks just like this. Your top drawer, you're going to have everything you need for IVs. Your IV start packs, your IV needles, your saline flushes, KY jelly, alcohol swabs, and extra tape is found in this drawer, and also your thermometer. Your second drawer will have all that you need to draw up your medications. So all of your syringes of different sizes, needles of different sizes, insulin syringes are in the second drawer, along with some extra gauze and some extra swab sticks in case you need those. Your third drawer will have supplies that are specific for the simulation that you're doing. So, for instance, your central line kits, your restraints, suction kits, NG tubes, specimen cups. There are blue pads in every drawer. So this is where you'll find supplies that are, like I said, specific for your simulation. The bottom drawer will have your Foley catheter kits, your bedpans, a suction catheter kit, and some extra sterile gloves. This also might be the drawer that you find some extra supplies that are specific for your simulation. We do not throw any supplies away. As you can see, we want you to remember not to throw anything away. We recycle everything here in the simulation lab. There's usually a bin in the room where you can put your supplies so that we can recycle. We do not keep gloves or masks, so you can throw those away, but please save everything else. Your mannequins will have an IV that's already started. Looks just like this one. And we want you to treat this IV just like you would treat a real IV on a real person. So you will give the IV medications just like you would for on a real IV. They are set up with a drainage system, and it's an IV tubing, and it goes underneath the bed. So, and it's hooked to an IV bag. So this is supposed to stay underneath the bed. In the past, students have mistaken and they've thought that this was supposed to be infusing into the patient. It is not. It is strictly for drainage for the IV site. So you will leave this bag underneath the bed, and you shouldn't need to mess with it at all. If you start an IV, you will be starting it on a task trainer that looks just like this. It will be strapped to the mannequin's arm. And we do not infuse into those IVs that you start. So don't push anything through those. You only push through the IVs that we have started for you. If you have to give an IM, a sub-Q, an ID, any kind of shot, then you'll be giving it into this simulation pad. We do want you to place the pad on the mannequin where you would give the shot. For instance, if I was going to give something in the love handles, I would take the pad and I would place it where the love handles would be, and I would give the injection. If I was going to give it in the deltoid, then I would place it on the deltoid. So we do want you to place it where it's supposed to be on the mannequin.